in the forest. What do I do? Oh no! I'm scared. Don't be scared. Oh, you're a friend? Yes. Hey, friend rabbit. Let's go play. La 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 la. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. La 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 la. Tweet tweet.
Hello everybody, it's me, Mr. Rabbit. I think I'm going to hop along for the day. Doot, 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 doot. All by myself. I don't have too many friends. Ooh, ooh. Hello, Mr. Rabbit. I'm Mr. Owl. Would you like to be my friend? Why, yes, wee. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's be friends, wee. Hello, I'm a fox and I'm very, very hungry right now. Wonder what I can find to eat. Hello, Mr. Fox. I'm little birdie. How are you today? Roar, I'm going to eat you. Roar. Come back here, Mr. Birdie. Roar, whoa. You can't catch me, Mr. Fox. I can fly. Roar. Roar. Little bird, come back. Let me eat you. I am hungry. Roar. I will leave you now, Mr. Fox. You little bird, leave me like that. Well, if I can't have a bird for food, I guess I'll have to find something I can get. Look, I think it's a rabbit. Ooh, I like rabbit food. Whoa, you ain't gonna catch me, Mr. Fox. Whoa! See you later, Mr. Fox. Now he's running into the tree. The end. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Pig. I'm just sitting around trying to find me some grass to eat or something to eat. I'm not sure what I want today. Maybe some pizza. I love pizza. I don't know anybody else out here that loves pizza.
Maybe a hand?
I hope I don't run across any big bad foxes or wolves. Aha! Hello, Mr. Piggy. It's me, the fox, and I love to eat some ham. Ah! I got you! Oh no! Help me! Somebody help me! Ooh, ooh! I will help you, Mr. Pig. Ooh, ooh! La 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 la! Grab onto my tail. Come back here! Don't leave me! I'm hungry. I will be back. It's time for me to leave. Is it safe for me to come out? I don't see anything. Nothing's here. It's just me, Mr. Rabbit, hanging out, hopping around and looking for food. Good. Hello, everybody. I'm a turtle, and I'm selling turtle insurance today. Would you like to buy some turtle insurance? Well, yes, it's me, Mr. Mouse. I need turtle insurance. I don't know why, but I do. I'll take turtle insurance. Okay, well, Welcome to Turtle. 15 minutes or less could save you 15% on insurance. Wee! I'm such a happy mouse. Beep, 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 beep. Goodbye. Turtle insurance can save you 15% or more on turtle insurance. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Turtle, walking all slow and taking my time. I don't know where I'm going, but I hope I run into a friend of mine. Well, hello there, Mr. Turtle. How are you today? It's me, Billy Bob, and I like turtles. I'm a friend of turtles and I'm a friend of other animals. I'm here to save you. Let me pet you. Oh, thank you, Mr. Billy Bob. It's good to have a friend. Hey, everybody. My name's Billy Bob, and I'm here to tell you about the best dog food ever. It's called Superfood, just for dogs. Watch when I hold out my hand with Superfood. I love superfood. It makes me dance. It makes me dance. I'm a jumping dog. I'm hopping. I can jump over my master. Yay. I got superpowers now because I ate my superfood. So good. Hello, everybody. My name is Ralphie the Ralph Dog, and I'd like to tell you that Superfoods gives me the power to be like Secret Life of Pets. It makes me jump like a jumping puppy. Roof! Look at me fly. Roar! Boom. I'm so doggy. Turtle, I'm back, and I'm just hanging out looking for a friend. I found my friend Billy Bob, but he left. He had to go somewhere. So now I don't know what to do, but oh no, what is this chasing me? It's a fox. Ah, come here, turtle. I'm out. Your shell's too hard. I can't chew it. Ow, ow, ow. Ouch. Ow, I'm running away. Fox tried to eat my turtle shell. He's so crazy. I wonder who I'm going to run into next. Hello, Mr. Turtle. It's me, Tweeter. I'm just flying around, having a good time. How are you doing today? Ooh, I'm okay.
The social media platform.
No. I'm just hanging out. I'm walking around looking for friends, Mr. Tweeter. How you doing? I'm okay. Just flying around. See you later, Mr. Turtle.
Now it's the end.
Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Pig and I'm here to tell you about bacon. Everybody loves bacon. You can smoke it with apple wood or anything. Maple. Bacon is so good. It's one of my favorite things. Oh no, I'm made of bacon. Doot, 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 doot. I am a bacon person. I'm made of bacon. I am a bacon person. Oh no! Hello, my name is Professor Jones, and I'm here to tell you about a new show on National Geographic Wild. I'm a turtle. Look at me. I'm a turtle. I'm a dog. Roo, roo, roo. It's all wild. Everything is wild. National Geographic. I'm a fox. I'm a fox. I'm running through the forest. Look at me go so fast. I'm getting chased by a pig. Oink, oink. Chased by a pig. Oink, oink. Hey, everybody, National Geographic, wow. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tune in next week for our first program. It's about dogs. Roof, roof, roof. See you then. Arr. My name is Mr. Smith, and I'm here to tell you about lots and lots of animals in the forest. There's all kinds of animals like pigs, owls, dogs, mice, rabbits, foxes, and even birds. Today we're going to talk about...
I live in Joy.
Oh, do you really like it? I'm so glad you like it. We're going to talk about Mr. Owl.
But we never talked about the dogs now.
Mr. Owl.
We're gonna talk about owls.
Mr. Owl up here in the tree. Can you see him? He's up here talking to me. Hello.
This is an interactive show.
Hello, my name is Mr. Owl.
That's Mr. Owl.
Or as others like to call me, my name is Blathers. I used to be in a game called Animal Crossing, but I've taken a vacation from Animal Crossing so I can be the National Geographic's Wild Forest movie. So, hello, and now I will make my exit. Alright, and now we meet our next animal. Everyone knows Mr. Turtle. Hello, I'm Mr. Turtle. Yes, I am the tortoise. And I raced ahead. I'm one of the fastest turtles ever. Watch how fast I go. See how fast he is? Hello, Mr. Turtle. You are so fast. I'll see you later. Okay, goodbye.
I will get Mr. Hare and Mr. Turtle.
Hello, I'm Mr. Hare. I'm the fastest in the world. Nobody can catch me.
But I'm the slowest.
Hello. Oh, I'll roll on your back, Mr. Turtle. You're so slow, I can roll on your back. Hey, you gotta stop that. Stop it. Help me. Help. Oh, I'm on my head. I got a rabbit on my feet. Help. Help me.
Well, Mr. Turtle is hosting this show now. Mr. Turtle is hosting this now.
Alright, goodbye.
They have been dead. Mr. Turtle is hosting it now.
Hello, Mr. Turtle. And I'll be hosting the movie from now on. So let's meet one of my good friends, Mr. Mouse. Hello, Mr. Mouse. How are you today? I'm okay. I'm just a little mouse. I wish I knew how to cook, but I can't because I'm not.
I can run
ratatouille.
super fast.
Slow down, Mr. Rabbit. I'll catch you with my mouse feet. I got you, Rabbit. All right, Mr. Turtle. I need to leave now. I'll see you later.
Alright, if I bring you out, that's it. I'm going to take a bath after.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Fox.
You have
Hello, everyone. It's Mr. Smith again, and I'm here to talk about Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Tips. It's one of my favorite things. It helps you with Microsoft 10 Windows. We have so much fun on this. It helps us in many, many ways. It even makes me want to flip.
Sing a song.
I like Microsoft Tips. It's so nice. It makes me happy I'm on ice. I like to slide across the screen. Microsoft Tips helps me in some...
Animal sang it.
Huh?
Animal singing and...
Hello, I am the Fox and I love Microsoft Tips. It's really weird that I'm a fox and I know how to use it. But I am so intelligent that
And Mr.
I
Stick sing the rest of the song.
have a computer.
Mr. Stickman sing the rest of the song.
And I must say, hello everyone, I'm Mr. Turtle. I have a doggy on my back. He likes to ride as I walk across the water. So I bring him to safety. Hooray. Hello everyone, I'm a turtle and I can swim. This puppy cannot swim. But you know what? I'll tell him, jump on my back and I'll bring you across the water. Do, 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 do. Thank you, Mr. Turtle. I appreciate it. I'm a mouse, and I'd like to advertise I Spy children's books. Everyone likes to look. Oh, look! I spy something in the sky. Ooh, ooh, it's an owl. Ha ha ha. Everyone loves these books. They're so good. Well, I gotta go. Read my books. I spy an owl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. These are the things that we put together to create something nice. But Chemical X was dumped inside, and the Powerpuff Girls were born. Wap, wap, bap, 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 bap. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow, boom, boom, bow. We're the Powerpuff Animals. I'm Owl. I'm Mouse. I'm Fox. Wap, 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 wap. Hey, Professor X. Hey, we're going now. Goodbye, Powerpuff Animals. Have a good night. Hello, everyone. We're now going to watch Jack Attack. I got go. I got go. I got. Help me, Jack Attack. It's the incredible baby. Help me. Jack Attack is one of my favorites.
It's called Stick Attack.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Jack Attack is over.
Seven-day trial until